Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking fabric suited to embroidery. Cotton or linen works best because it holds stitches without puckering. Once chosen, you stabilize the area in an embroidery hoop to keep tension consistent. This prevents distortion as you stitch. Next, transfer your design using a heat transfer pen, light box, or washable marker so lines are clear but removable. Make sure to align the design with seams and grain. This makes the finished motif sit naturally on the garment. Now you decide which stitches deliver the look and texture you want: backstitch for outlines, satin for filled areas, and French knots for raised dots. Choose thread weight. 6-strand floss is standard, and splitting to 2 or 3 strands gives finer control. Thread needle and test each stitch on a scrap of the same fabric. This reveals tension issues and whether your needle size is right. Once satisfied, map color transitions and stitch order so you don't trap threads under later work. Begin stitching in small sections, following your mapped order so colors and textures layer cleanly. Anchor thread ends discreetly with tiny knots or weave tails under stitches for durability. Once complete, gently wash to remove transfer lines, let dry flat, then press from the reverse with a pressing cloth to avoid crushing texture. If you see puckering, make sure tension in the hoop is not too tight and consider using fewer thread strands. If knots show, reduce tension and shorten thread lengths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.